Jasmine Hunter, MBA EA, here to tell you how to check your withholding. So we're back at irs.gov. We're going to click on check the tax withholding estimator. You need to pick your filing status and whether you and your spouse both have a check. Select whichever one of the bottom boxes applies because those all are going to increase your standard deduction. So then you're going to go back and you're going to select your source of income, how long you've had this role, and how frequently you get paid. Select your last pay stub date and enter it in the box here. Enter the amount of wages that you earn during that period of time, and then use that to calculate how much you've earned in the year so far. It tells you how much you're supposed to earn in the year, just to kind of double check yourself. Then you select the box if that's correct. Enter the amount of income tax that's already been withheld from your check so far, and then how much is held in each pay period. Do you and your spouse contribute to a 401k? Remember that this is going to change the amount of income that you earn in the year. And then the other boxes below also are going to change the amount of income that you earn as well. Okay, so how much health insurance you're contributing or paying each month or pay period. For this example, we're using $500 that we're paying each pay period. And so for the date, that means we've paid $5,000 so far. My spouse will be getting a bonus of $10,000 this year. And then you're going to go on and do the same thing for the second source of income. So this is salary, jobs being held all year, being paid twice monthly, and then the date of the last pay stub, enter it in the box here. How many wages were earned during the pay period, and then how much income for the whole year, how much taxes were paid during the pay period, and then what's that look like for the year so far. So we're looking for the year to date amount on your pay stub. How much is this person putting into their 401k? How much has been so far for the year? And then are there additional withholdings or additional adjustments to income? So you'll be paying back your student loans. Are you going to have a health savings account? You're going to be participating in contributing to your traditional IRA. All those also are going to decrease the amount of income that's going to be taxed for the year. So you want to select the correct box. For this example, let's go ahead and select that we're going to contribute to our traditional IRA. The limit per person is $6,500 if you're under 65. So that will lead us to a total amount of $13,000 contribution. We're going to go ahead and select next. We're going to take the standard deduction, which is $27,700. Select next. Now, if you were itemizing, that would be a great way to know exactly how much you need to contribute to your charity to meet that standard deduction amount. We're going to be claiming the child tax credit. We're going to put in that we have 3 children, 11, 9, and 9, so that you can get the tax credit of $2,000 per child. So that would be $6,000. Click next. This is going to tell us how much our refund should be. So if we continue doing what we're doing, no changes, we would get a refund of about $25,000 at the end of the year. But that means that they're withholding a lot of money from our checks each month. So you can just scroll down and look and see exactly the information that you put in to the estimator so far. If you are unhappy with that refund amount, you can change it and then you would just have to submit a new W-4. So it tells you exactly, based on the refund amount you put in, how to get your W-4 changed. You just fill in your name and sign at the bottom, print it, and turn it into your employer, and it will update your withholding. If you do have any other questions or you would like me to do it for you, please book a free consultation and I would be happy to work with you.